We've got our Orca Torch ZD710 Mark II. Now, good friends at Orca Torch sent us this to test out. Now, it is a dive torch, but it actually works pretty good. I used it on the beach the other night, and now we're just going to use it to see in here. See how far in it goes. What little treasures might be in here. Smells kind of funky. Goes quite a way up. Oh, even there, it's plastic and rubbish. Goes up in there. So the good thing about this torch is it's got zoom and has quite a broad light. Lots of plastic Nerf bullet things. Lots of timber just washed up inside the cave. Oh. That's what it looks like from the outside. Cool little spot.